Hello friends, I am Shahbaz, and you are watching The Truth of Certainty. Viewers, we embark on our global mission to decisively dismantle the fitna of materialists' atheist ideologies. We shall expose the reality behind the deceptive claims made by ex-Muslim Owais Iqbal, who acts as an instrument for these atheists and disruptive forces. Who truly achieved the discovery of the cosmic microwave background radiation? Who were those who validated the Big Bang theory using their irrefutable observational data? Were those individuals who rejected the existence of the supreme creator of the universe? Or were they believers who had profound faith in his divine signs? What is the specific claim of Owais Iqbal regarding this matter? Viewers, watch this video.
You talked about cosmic microwave back radiation. It gives us evidence of this. When the galaxy's light is redshifting, they move away and away from themselves. If they are reversed, they give us evidence. This is physical evidence. It can be observed by anyone in the world. What comes out of the conclusion validates Big Bang theory. Brother Harris, the figure of 13.8 billion years old universe, was given by us scientists, by Western science, atheists.
Friends, Owais Iqbal boldly asserts this claim that the historic achievement of discovering the cosmic microwave background radiation was performed exclusively by atheists. With what level of sophisticated deception and intellectual manipulation these atheists attempt to brainwash the minds of the general public. To an ordinary listener, it might appear as though they are speaking the truth. However, before we accept their assertions as correct, it is mandatory upon us to investigate the fundamental reality of their claims to see if there is any actual truth within them or not. Friends, in the next few minutes, I am going to place before you that undeniable Google-proof evidence. After witnessing this proof, it will be conclusively established that Owais Iqbal is intentionally misleading the people, and his claim is nothing more than a massive collection of absolute falsehoods. Let us first establish when, where, and by whom was cosmic microwave background radiation discovered. According to the historical records, this radiation was discovered in 1964 at the Bell Telephone Laboratories in New Jersey. The discovery was made by two renowned radio astronomers, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson. For this monumental achievement, they were honored with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1978. Now, to verify Owais Iqbal's claim, let us ask the data. Were the discoverers of the CMB actually atheists? The answer is a definitive no. Neither of these men were atheists. In fact, through their discovery, both men recognized the universe as a purposeful creation and found it to be entirely consistent with their religious beliefs. Arno Penzias, the man who held the data in his hands, explicitly stated that the best scientific evidence regarding the Big Bang theory is exactly what he would have expected to find if he were predicting based on nothing but the 5 books of Moses and the Psalms of David. He concluded that the extreme order and the delicate balance of the cosmos proves that the universe is not a random accident, but the result of a supernatural plan. Furthermore, the second discoverer, Robert Wilson, remarkably noted that there could be no scientific theory better than the Big Bang to match the account of creation found in the book of Genesis. Wilson expressed a profound sense of gratitude for being a part of this magnificent masterpiece, the universe. So friends, on one hand, you have the baseless claims of Owais Iqbal.
Brother Harris, the figure of 13.8 billion years old universe, was given by us scientists, by Western science, atheists.
On the other hand, the actual results of an objective Google search are now clear. The distinction between truth and falsehood has been laid bare before your eyes. The very scientific discovery that Owais Iqbal attempted to claim as a triumph for atheism belongs to men who, upon closer investigation, did not deny the creator of the universe. Unlike him, they were individuals who, like us, held a deep and profound faith in the divine signs of Allah Almighty. This organized atheist party systematically attempting to drill a single narrative into the minds of the public. The idea that the explanation of this cosmos, along with all the laws, principles, and regulations governing its existence, can only be clarified by the lens of science. They claim that religion offers absolutely no guidance regarding the fundamental reality of our universe. To these atheists, the entire cosmos is merely a purposeless accident, a random event that occurred without intention. Yet the very scientists who discovered the cosmic microwave background concluded, through a lifetime of accumulated knowledge and research, that this universe is a purposeful and intentional creation. They recognized that within every single atom and every corner of existence, the undeniable signs of the Maker are present. Friends, in this inaugural video, Haqqul Yaqeen has decisively proven their claims to be nothing more than a fabrication. Now, inshallah, in our upcoming video, you will hear our next major challenge. We will prove that the scientist who first proposed the Big Bang Theory, overturning the ancient idea of an eternal, beginningless universe, was also not a God-denying atheist. He was a man of science who remained a steadfast believer in the signs of the Creator. If you found this exposure of the truth valuable, please like this video and share it as widely as possible among your circles. Be sure to share your important thoughts in the comments below. To become an active part of this global mission to dismantle the fitna of atheism, please subscribe to this channel and stay connected. We shall meet again in the next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.